In this video, I'll show you how to use the zoom and pan tools in AutoCAD to navigate drawings more efficiently and improve your overall workflow. For panning, the easiest method is to press and hold the middle mouse wheel while moving your mouse, allowing you to shift around the drawing smoothly in real time. If you prefer command inputs, you can type pan or simply P into the command line and drag your view with the mouse. For zooming, rolling the mouse wheel forward zooms in while rolling it backward zooms out, making it quick to switch between detailed work and a full project overview. You can also type Z for the zoom command to access advanced options like zoom extents, window, or real-time zoom for more precise control. These navigation tools may seem basic, but mastering them can dramatically increase speed and accuracy, especially on large or complex drawings. It's also helpful to combine zoom and pan together fluidly, instead of constantly restarting commands, which creates a much smoother drafting experience. Overall, strong navigation habits are essential for efficient work in AutoCAD. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you design faster and work smarter.